The water pump that comes with the RV, it is so loud when we turn the water on, so we are going to change it into a quieter water pump, the Seaflow brand. This one. Ta-da! Okay, the first thing we have to do is turn off the water pump from the controller. The water pump is right under this ottoman, so we have to remove this ottoman to get into the water pump. Wrong one. We have to remove these two screws right here in order to remove the ottoman, and we have to use a 3/4 inch ratchet. Okay, honey, I need some manpower.
Try it first. Okay.
Thank you, honey. Okay. Okay, let's lift the ottoman out of the way. Okay, next we have to disconnect the motor that controls the ottoman by just squeezing on this tab and remove it. There's a tab right here. Just have to press on this. Okay, honey. Please carry it up here.
Okay.
Found the water pump. But first we have to disconnect the power. Like that, and there are 4 screws here, but actually they only put in 2, so I don't know why. So we're just gonna have to remove these 2 screws to remove the water pump. Let's prepare the new water pump. Take these caps out and screw in the
Strainer.
To this side.
The vacuum side.
The vacuum, this end. Let's take out this loud water pump. We have to unscrew this hose to separate it out from the water pump. And there might be water seeping out, so put a towel right here to catch any water. There it is. And okay. Let's say bye-bye to this loud water pump. Let's install this new water pump. Just connect this hose to this end right here. And now attach this hose to this end. We need this clip for the new pump, so I'm gonna have to cut this. We are going to use the pushing connector to connect the 2 red wires together. Just have to push them in. So the red wires are connected. Now we're going to do the same thing for the black wires. It's pretty easy. Let's connect the power back. And we have to screw the new water pump onto the ground right there. The moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Let's turn the water pump on. Well, the water pump didn't work, when we finished installing, we turned on the water, and there was hardly any water coming out at the beginning, and then we tried to take it out and re-tighten it, everything back, and still it didn't work. It seems like there's not enough pressure building up at all in the pump for it to pump the water up into the faucet. So we didn't know what to do. We brought it to Airstream dealer, and they said that there's a missing part, but it's actually the water pump doesn't come with that part. So what they did is
They had to retrofit it.
they had to retrofit it. So what they did was they put this little hose in between the filter and the water pump. Before we didn't have this part, it just attached to here. So it seems like it needs to have the smaller hose right here. This is the original hose. See how it looks bigger? This is the original hose. It looks bigger than this one. So once they put this little hose in between the filter and the pump, everything works good. That was easy, but we didn't know that we needed to do that. Let's test it out. It is quieter than the original water pump. You could hear a little bit, but it's not like it's not so loud. See? Like this, that's the max. But if we normally just open it up a little bit, and you could hear the water pump a little bit.
You need to hear it anyway.
Yes, we do.
Just in
case
there's a
we
leak.
forgot and we left it on, or there's a leakage, then we know that the water pump is defective. So at least now we have a very quiet water pump. On to the next project, honey.
Oh no.
Now the fan is a little loud.
Oh no.